I just showed you how to rotate and reflect, and it resulted in this pattern right here, or this object. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to use a mask and use the Pathfinder tool to isolate certain parts of the object. So what I'm going to do is I want to make sure that I've clicked onto the object, and then I'm going to go over here to the square tool up here, and if you press onto that square, you see that a whole bunch of shapes pull up. Well, I'm going to stick to the square tool, and I'm going to draw a square over the top right here. Okay, it's black and we don't want it to be black, so we're going to go over to the eyedropper tool right here, and I'm going to click on the background and it's going to turn white. Okay, then I'm going to go back to the pointer, and this time I'm going to click and drag over both the white box and my original object. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this side. Ignore all this. This is just sort of bits and pieces that I'm saving for later. I'm going to go under Properties, and if you see here, there is Pathfinder, and this is what I'm after. You can play with any of these. I'm going to play with this one. So I'm going to press this one, but not until we zoom out. Okay, now watch what happens. Okay, so it plays with the square and how it intersects, and this is what is left over. So I can use this. I can use the shape now, and I can play and rotate it and combine it with other shapes. So that's how the Pathfinder tool works. Play with all the different kinds of, there are 4 different choices, and just play with various ways of doing the Pathfinder tool. Okay.